What's up, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my video. This is Kuya Broom. And this time, we're gonna do something special. We're gonna go to the concert of 50 Cent. I'll see you there in a bit. What's up, what's up? So, papunta na kami. Ito kasama ko aking brother and sister. Right there.
Sino pa ba?
And traffic kasi maraming papunta rin. There's a lot of cars. So we're gonna go there.
Hindi to traffic sa Philippines.
Oh, hindi traffic sa Philippines to. Traffic ng Norway ganito lang dahil sa runabout. Yan yung pabilog. Yan.
Ganito mo tong roundabout na to.
So doon kayo pupunta.
Ginastos nila like $1 billion.
Yeah.
For the cyclists.
Yeah. But we're not gonna go into that right now. We're gonna go into the concert. So I'll see you later.
First,
Ito kami sa waiting room. Dami pang tao. Dami pang tao. Iniwan lang namin yung jacket namin. So, dito tayo sa VIP. Yeah. With my sister. Papasok na tayo. So, what's up? Dito na tayo sa loob ng 50 Cent concert. Medyo madilim pero sana nakikita nyo ako. Ito yung stage. Mas napakaraming tao. Dito kami sa medyo harap. Look at that. Meron pa mga tao sa likod. So let's roll. So what's up? Dito kami sa holding area. Wala nang tao kasi tumutugtog na. So nandun na sila sa loob lahat. Ang daming tao. Pero papakita ko sa inyo si 50 Cent mamaya. I'll show you guys how he does it. Final concert. Yeah.
Please don't want me to dumb down my check. See you, bitch. We get it poppin' in the hood. See you, bitch. Motherfucker was good. I'm waiting for niggas to act like they don't know how to. If I can't do well, it can't be done. I'ma let the champagne run over. I'ma take the teens out. Show nigga. If I can't do well, it can't be done. I'ma let the champagne run over. I'ma take the teens out. Show nigga. I'm gonna make it hot. It was so funny, but you just oh no. Take the time. Oh, you just didn't wanna leave. Oh, it beats that way sometimes. Yeah. Come on. Make some fucking noise. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love. This is how we do. We make the movie like the fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Fresh like Bentley, empty. I got a nigga fresh out the slums. Make some motherfucking noise. Yeah. Bring the city to the building. shot right here. same for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada. That BZ, Burberry, don't say it, Gabbana. Sound sick over Drake drugs. All I tell them like bounce that ass, girl. I get it crump in here, I make it jump in here, front in here, we'll bump in here. Whoa, so ghetto, so ghetto, so girl. It's easy to love me. And what would you love me about? And would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what would you love me about? And would you still have love for me? Look at my fellow. 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a building? Could you love me on a bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it cracking in the club when you hear the shit. Go sit down, get worked out. Let me see it go bang, bang. Touch that thing when you make it go round. Then step up in the club. Yeah. Now that I got your attention, I want to say rest in peace to my young boy, Pop Smoke.
Rest in peace, Pop Smoke. Rest in peace, Pop Smoke.
Whoa, whoa, what you want fuck with the whoa, 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 what you want fuck? I'm gonna get to her. She know that it's right here for. I wanna see her break it down. I'm about throwing money. She work real, she work the boat. She break it down, she take it. She find herself, she got the dope. She doing the thing out. Break it, break it, break it down.
Okay, she made it to the dance floor and she slowly started popping it. Something like my wrist, cause everybody know what they say. I would be stupid to be down on me, yeah. Girl, you got this thing.
Come on.
Let's go and take 9 shots, we'll just call it 50. And I gonna lick it till it lick.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to. Even
flip chicks with the get money. Niggas get the plan with the money, click bank for the money. I'm a bona fide grade A hustler. One day, one they can't touch it. Nigga like me, I be with this shit. Oh man, this is man. Oh man, oh man. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
Sit there, make some motherfucking noise. Can I get a G-Unit? 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 We almost there. Let me get some help real quick.
Bring up the roses 94 cause I commit the crime. Damn, homie. In high school, you were the man, homie.
What the fuck happened to you? This whole side right here. Everybody on this fucking side.
Yeah.
We started. We started.
Stunt 101.
I
see y'all stuff, man. Stay rocked up, my TVs pop up and I ain't that big.
What's up? So, tapos na yung concert and it was fun. Bumalik yung memories sa mga kanta niya. Yung album na Get Rich or Die Trying, yun yung album na kinanta niya, yung mga kanta doon. It was a fun experience pero I figured sa Norway, maaga nag-start yung concert. Tapos maaga rin nagtatapos. Natapos siya ng 10 p.m. Feeling ko bawal siyang umexceed ng late na. Kasi yung mga bus dito hanggang 12 lang. So wala nga namang masasakyan yung iba, di ba? So yun, it was a nice experience. Thank you sa kila Brother Muy and Sister Angelica for that, for the tickets. VIP tickets. So yun lang naman. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Keep praying.